Today I'm going to show you how to create and use a Scrum board in Jira. So what you want to do is go and create the board from scratch. Now, there are a few things that you need to enable first. So let us create the board. Go up here to Spaces, click on the plus icon, and you'll find many different templates here. But what we're actually going to go into is software development. And here you can see that there is a Scrum board, a standard Scrum board. Okay, a lot more templates, but we're looking for this where we can plan, track, and execute work using sprints and a backlog. Now, by default, this will be turned on automatically, but if it's not, I want to show you how you can turn it on. We're going to click on Use Template. We are going to give it a name. We are going to choose how we're going to manage the space. So team managed. We're going to give different access over here. So we're going to leave it open. And the key over here, all right, will be a descriptive prefix of your space's work item keys. This will help you recognize work from that space. So we're going to, of course, name it Scrum. Here's the template. Let's click on Next right over here. And this is step 1 of step 3, as you can see. Here we can add team members, so you can literally just add in their names or email addresses, give them different roles and permissions, and then click on Next. If you'd like to skip this, click on I'll do this later. And then you can also connect your work. Okay, so if you'd like to connect a specific space with this one, you can do so. But for now, we're going to just click on Done. This is going to be a space working all on its own. Right over here, you can see there are a few different view items. Okay, this is different views. And this is how you plan your Scrum, and this is how you will create it. So we've created it. You can create items to put in here, or we can add from our backlog. Okay, so you can see over here, let's say this one here, you want to add, click down, drag it over, and add it in to your Scrum. All right, and as you move on, you can just continue moving from your backlog up to your Scrum Sprint 1. If you click on any one of these items, you'll be able to open it in a little window on the right-hand side, and you can see all of the details of that item. Now, if this is not enabled, your backlog or your sprints, go over to that space, click on the 3 dots, come down and look for space settings. Over here, you're going to come down to features on the left-hand side, and you will see backlog needs to be turned on. And then sprints need to be turned on. And you won't be able to turn sprint on unless backlog is on. So make sure that's turned on, and then you can use it.